आई थिंक ये जो हमारी रेसलर है विनेश फोगट उनके साथ भी यही हुआ.
I lost 45 kgs of weight. It shoot up होके 100 kgs हो गया था. Irregular periods की problem थी. I went from 100 kgs to 55 kgs. When I touched 100 kg, मेरे periods stop हो गए थे. But this overnight weight loss thing is very dangerous for you. Hi, मैं हूँ रिचा गंगानी and आज हम बात करेंगे प्रॉब्लम्स की जैसे कि PCOD, थायराइड, वेट लॉस जो कि बहुत कॉमन हो चुकी है आजकल की लाइफस्टाइल में.
Okay, so Richa, let's dive straight in. So you have lost 45 kgs of weight.
Yes.
So can we start that how much you used to weight, and firstly, how old are you, so that the people can relate with your story.
So I lost 45 kgs of weight. I had major hypothyroidism for almost 17 years. मैं कुछ शायद 12-13 साल की होंगी जब मुझे थायराइड डिटेक्ट हुआ था.
अच्छा.
That time in like 6 months मेरा weight shoot up होके 100 kgs हो गया था. So it was
Wow.
like
While you were 13 years.
13-14 years. So I had major problems. Irregular periods की problem थी. बहुत सारा घर से प्रेशर आता था कि वेट लूज करना है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आप टीनेज की तरफ जा रहे हो. सो आई ट्राइड एवरीथिंग. मैंने घर वालों ने मेरे पे सारी चीज़ें आजमा ली. डाइट्स, स्लिम शेक्स,
Yeah.
आपके फैट बर्नर्स बिकॉज
I
उस
know.
टाइम न्यूट्रिशन का इतना नॉलेज नहीं था लोगों को. डाइटिंग was not a thing back then.
And when are we talking about? Like how old this scenario was?
So it's like right now I'm 29.
Okay.
So approximately 15-16 years
Yeah.
back only. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So then some days I decided कि नहीं, सिर्फ सही खाने से और कुछ एक्सरसाइज करने से we can achieve the target. I decided, I did it. I lost 45 kgs. हाँ, मुझे टाइम लगा. It didn't happen overnight. ऐसा नहीं कि सोचा और 6 महीने में हो गया. It took me 3 years to reach where I am right now standing. Like I went from 100 kgs to 55 kgs, but in 3 years. Sustainably किया, तभी मैं आज तक उसे maintain कर पा रही हूँ. From last 7 years, I'm maintaining this weight.
Achha, so let me just crack it down, break it down bit by bit. So you're saying, well, while you were 13, 14 years, you gained, like you were almost 100 kgs,
Yes.
right? And this was because of the thyroid complications which you
Yes.
had.
Yes.
Right? So does anyone in your family had, thyroid? Sometimes it is because of the genetics.
Yes. So my mother had gestational thyroid, but after the delivery, वो ठीक हो गया था.
हाँ, gestation thyroid is बहुत common, वो होता है a lot of time.
Yeah.
But that's itself is very, traumatic because 13-14 साल में आप 100 kgs के suddenly हो जाओ, while that's the menarche stage, आपके periods वगैरह शुरू
Yes.
होते हैं. There are a lot of other complications, other
Yes.
hormonal issue, and top of that, thyroid. So how did you handle this? And the weight loss was very instant or it was gradual? What was it? Just describe us more. Just take it back. Let's go back to that time.
So I remember when I touched 100 kg, मेरे periods stop हो गए थे. For good 3-4 months, I started gaining weight around my abdomen. मेरा abdomen इतना huge हो चुका था. No clothes were fitting. So obviously एक बच्चे को डिप्रेशन टाइप होने लगता है. आपको स्कूल में बुली मिलती है,
Of
आपको
course.
घर वालों से टॉन्ट सुनने को मिलते हैं. So I was in that phase कि अब तो करना ही है. I don't know whether you have heard about वो slimming belts आते थे उस टाइम पे.
Yeah. Sweat belts.
Sweat belts.
Yeah.
I tried that. Herbalife के shakes आते थे.
Yeah.
I tried that. But nothing was working. Doctors ने medicines पे डाल दिया कि इससे तो हो जाएगा. उससे ये हुआ कि भूख खत्म हो गई. Weight loss हो गया. 5 kgs एक महीने में कम हो गया. लेकिन the moment I
Instant
left the
gain.
medicine,
Yeah.
I gained
Yeah.
instantly. So then I thought नहीं, एक sustainable approach लेनी ही पड़ेगी. So I took a sustainable way, decided my own diet, made a plan for me, followed it, did exercises. But हाँ, consistency is the key. If you are not consistent in anything you do, आप succeed नहीं हो पाओगे.
So are you currently on any thyroid medications?
No, I'm not. I left my medications 4 years back only. I have no thyroid now. I'm off medications. I do not take any medicines now.
Oh, that's amazing. But मुझे एक बात बताइए, when you were that young, of course, it was a trauma by itself, right? And how long did it take for you to understand? Because at that time 13-14 is a child, you don't even know क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना. You follow the things whatever is being eaten in your family, आप वही खाते हो. थोड़ा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा घी तेल कम कर देते लोग instantly जो करते हैं. So when this knowledge, like when did you gain this knowledge, और कब समझ आया कि अच्छा मुझे अपने हाथों में चीजें लेनी है? And while you were doing this, when did the doctor start the thyroid medication? Was it as young as you were that time, or it was, later in time they started?
So doctors started my medicines when I was around 14 because they obviously suggested me few blood tests जिसमें आया कि my thyroid is around 50, which is very high. So doctor immediately gave me medicines of 100 mcg जो starting
Wow.
के लिए
Oh my
बहुत
God,
ज़्यादा
that's,
है.
yeah.
It's huge. So थोड़े टाइम तक लिया, जब तक नॉलेज नहीं था, जब तक पेरेंट्स के अंडर थे, इतना नॉलेज नहीं था, तब तक दवाइयाँ वैसी ही चली, सब कुछ वैसे हुआ, बट नथिंग हैपेंड. ठीक है. आफ्टर अ वाइल जब नॉलेज आने लगी, चीज़ें इंटरनेट से हम ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली होने लग गए, देन वी स्टार्टेड सीइंग कि हाँ ऐसी चीज़ें हम कर सकते हैं. देन आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग आउट कि हाँ ये चीज़ खाने से ऐसा होगा, इतना प्रोटीन मुझे अपनी डाइट में लेना चाहिए, मुझे कार्ब्स इतने कम करने चाहिए, मेरे लिए चीनी खराब है, मुझे छोड़नी चाहिए. तो वो चेंजेस किए. बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ हाई फाई चेंजेस नहीं किए, कुछ छोटे छोटे चेंजेस. जिम जाना शुरू किया, डेली लग के मेहनत करना शुरू किया, एंड रिजल्ट्स अपने आप आ गए. धीरे 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 100 से 90, 90 से 80, 80 से 70, एंड फाइनली आई रीच्ड 55 जो मेरा गोल था.
That's commendable. And how old were you when you reached your target goal?
22.
So it was
A
a very
year before
long
my
journey.
marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So marriage was the one of the motivation.
My husband motivated me actually. He's into fitness. He's
Uh-huh.
into die-hard fitness lover. He's a die-hard fitness. So he motivated me कि तू कर, मैं
Yeah.
तेरे साथ खड़ा हूँ. I am there to support you. तेरे को knowledge चाहिए, तेरे को. हाँ, he also gave me a lot of knowledge about nutrition because he's into fitness from so many years.
Okay.
He motivated कि जिम जाओ, एक्सरसाइज करो, कहीं दिक्कत आती है, कोई posture समझ में नहीं आता, आई एम देयर टू गाइड यू. एंड इफ यू हैव अ सपोर्टिव पार्टनर, you know how things are, how easily you can achieve those dreams.
I know. I mean, then the family atmosphere changes. जितने ज़्यादा लोग आपके साथ आपकी चीज़ें फॉलो करते हैं, और जितने ज़्यादा लोग आप हेल्थ पे चीज़ें साथ में करते हैं एक फैमिली में, आई थिंक ऑटोमेटिकली अगर कोई नहीं भी करता होगा, दैट ऑल्सो इट बिकम्स अ फैमिली
It
लाइफस्टाइल.
motivates you. It creates an atmosphere जहाँ
Yeah.
आपको लगता है कि नहीं, अब तो सब मेरे साथ है ना.
And I feel that's how lifestyles are created.
Yeah.
जो हम बात करते हैं कि लाइफस्टाइल हमारी ऐसी है, ये just a simple thing that सब साथ में same healthy चीजें करो, and then eventually it becomes a lifestyle. So how did you educate yourself that आपको क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या पीना चाहिए, किस तरीके से करना चाहिए? Was it self-researched, or did you take any guidance from anyone? How was it?
So for myself, it was self-researched. I studied everything on internet. I started seeing videos. Back then बहुत गुरुमान के भी बहुत videos आते थे that time. So yeah, we started seeing videos, started researching and everything. And after a while, जब मैंने अपना weight loss कर लिया, when I thought कि नहीं ये बहुत बड़ी problem है. Every fourth woman is suffering from weight gain issues, and hardly उनकी family में कोई होता है जो उन्हें educate कर पाए इस चीज़ के लिए.
Yeah.
That time I decided no, I have to do this. I did my masters in dietetics and nutrition. मैंने दिन रात लग के उस चीज़ के बारे में पढ़ा कि कैसे हम इस चीज़ को सिर्फ खाने से कम कर सकते हैं, because medicines are not the right way to do it.
Yeah.
Bariatric surgery is not the correct way to do it. So we have to do it through food. So बस उस चीज़ के बारे में पढ़ के interest लेके I did it, and
Yeah.
things
I
happened.
mean, interesting thing, since you mentioned bariatric surgery and medications and how they're not, you cannot rely on them completely. But I just wanted to mention ये कि जब ये emergency situations आती है, like the situation you were there, जब 13-14 में you had 100 kg, that time I think it's a right way to start the medication, because that's the only thing which can save you at that point for the organs not to get damaged. But eventually हाँ, आपको अपने lifestyle and diet change and ये सब practices से you can always come out of the things like thyroid issues or diabetic issues. I think, and also same goes with bariatric surgeries, because a lot of people think कि अच्छा ठीक है surgery करा लो and then you're thin. But again, here's the thing, that what we want to get rid of is visceral fats, right? And visceral fats are very deep seated organ fats. Visceral fat क्या होते हैं, जो organ के ऊपर का जो fat होता है, that is visceral fat, and
Correct.
those are dangerous. And because of those, issues like fatty liver, thyroid, and all hormonal ups and downs starts, I think that's also not a permanent solution. So you well said that. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा वेट लॉस की बात करते हैं, सिंस वी आर ऑन दिस टॉपिक, एंड आई थिंक वेट लॉस इज वन ऑफ द सेंसेशनल टॉपिक. वी आर ऑलवेज लर्निंग, हमेशा चल रहा है उसका, रिसर्च करते हैं कुछ ना कुछ. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल रीच देयर गोल बाय डूइंग क्रैश डाइट एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, फिर वापस अपने उसी
Zero
फॉर्म पे
पे.
आ जाते हैं. So how do you handle these patients?
सो बेसिकली मैं अपने पेशेंट्स को एक ही चीज बोलती हूँ, इफ यू वांट टू डू क्रैश डाइट्स डोंट कम टू मी,
Yeah.
बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन जो आपको वाटर फास्टिंग सजेस्ट करेगा, आपको जीरो कार्ब डाइट देगा, बिकॉज मैंने वो नहीं की चीज.
Mm.
आई डिड इट सस्टेनेबली एंड हेंस आई एम मेंटेनिंग इट. आपको अपनी डाइट में चावल भी रखो, आप अपनी डाइट में रोटी भी रखो, आप अपनी डाइट में थोड़ी बहुत शुगर भी रखो, क्योंकि अपनी लाइफ में ऐसे चेंजेस मत लाओ जो आप आगे 5 साल बाद अपने आप को प्रॉमिस ना कर सको कि मैं लाइफ टाइम में कर सकती हूँ.
Yeah.
सो ऑलवेज डू सच थिंग्स दैट यू कैन प्रॉमिस कि ये मेरी लाइफस्टाइल का पार्ट बन चुका है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट अ डाइट बट रादर इट्स अ लाइफस्टाइल. सो फॉलो सच थिंग्स. क्रैश डाइट से आई एग्री, आप कम कर लोगे 2 दिन में, आपका 2 किलो कम हो जाएगा. आप सिर्फ पानी पे रह लो. आप ये जूस फास्टिंग आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड में चल रहा है, दैट स्टे ऑन जूसेस फॉर 3 days. इट्स रिडिकुलस. इट्स नॉट राइट फॉर योर बॉडी. आपकी बॉडी को प्रोटीन, फाइबर, कार्ब्स, फैट्स सबकी जरूरत होती है. एंड वंस यू स्टार्ट अ डाइट विच इज सस्टेनेबल, आप खुद रिजल्ट्स देखोगे. योर स्किन विल लुक गुड, your hair will look good, you will start losing weight. So the right diet is the key, I would say.
Yeah, I mean, speaking about weight loss, and since you mentioned 2 kgs of weight, which reminds me of the latest the thing which
Vinesh
is
Fogart.
happening, and it's really very sad what has happened. I mean, she was उनके लिए तो 2 kg lose करना, I think it was 2 kg
100
only.
grams.
100 grams की वजह से तो she got eliminated, but I think
Eliminated.
it was 2 kgs which she was working on
Yes,
overnight,
yes.
and then she reduced it, and
Reduced it.
still
Only
100 grams
was
were there.
pending, yes.
Yeah, so ऐसे situation में let us understand that what is the process of basically fat and muscle gain, because कई बार लोग ये confuse हो जाते हैं that fat loss अलग चीज है and muscle loss, they both are separate. So a lot of people are happy कि weight कम हो रहा है, but eventually it is muscle loss.
Muscle loss.
So one, I want you to speak about this, and the second I want to speak about our Olympic champion Vinesh Fogart की जिस तरीके से वो 2 kg को लेके इतना challenging situation उन्होंने किया, like extreme of heat and what not she did, still 100 grams में she got eliminated, which is a sad situation itself. So we're going to discuss about this also कि ये जो extreme measures लेते हैं athletes, how healthy it is and what are the side effects of doing that.
So it is completely unhealthy. Yesterday I was reading a newspaper, उसमें बहुत सारे athletes की stories थी that how they have to go through it, कि उनको एक रात में ही 2 से 3 किलो कम करना पड़ता है. She donated blood, she cut her hair कि weight कम हो जाए, but still 100 grams was there. उसकी वजह से she got eliminated. But this overnight weight loss thing is very dangerous for you. आप अपनी body से पूरा पानी हटा दे रहे हो. You are not drinking water, you are not eating, you are just running with a jacket on to sweat as much as you can. So you are losing the whole minerals from your body. You can get severely dehydrated. You can just land in hospital just for that overnight weight gain. And not in athletes, बहुत सारे लोगों में भी आजकल ये क्रेज आ गया है कि हमें तो बस 7 दिन में क्विक रिजल्ट्स चाहिए, नो मैटर कैसे भी आप हमें लाके दो, आप हमें नमक वाले पानी पे रख लो, आप हमें सिर्फ पानी की डाइट दे दो. सो दीज थिंग्स आर नॉट राइट. पीपल शुड लर्न कि एक राइट डाइट में और एक क्रैश डाइट में फर्क होता है. इफ समबडी इज लूजिंग गुड अमाउंट ऑफ वेट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई क्लाइंट्स, some of my clients have lost good amount of weight, 10 kgs in 30 days also, but they have lost it with right diet, not with starving. अगर आप
नहीं पता है, 10 kgs in 30 days also I feel a little extreme. I think इतना भी नहीं करना चाहिए. If somebody is doing that can eventually I feel the muscle side, the muscle loss happens
Yes.
drastically, and then वो face पे दिखने लगता है. You know, if I think that 1 kilo a week is a natural 1 to 2 kgs a week is a natural weight loss process which one should follow, I feel.
Follow. But if you are eating enough protein in your diet, for example, a human body needs 1 gram of per body weight protein
Correct.
in order to not lose the muscle mass.
Yeah.
If you're following that kind of a diet, okay, and if you are losing good amount of weight, then there would be no muscle loss. It would be only pure fat loss.
But आपको वर्कआउट भी तो करना पड़ेगा ना, अगर वो सारा प्रोटीन आपका फैट बन जाएगा, then
हाँ,
it's a
you have to
different
work
thing
out.
altogether.
You have to work out.
If
See,
you're not burning your
80%,
protein,
if you are
then-
not burning,
then
definitely
it is just collecting in your body.
collecting. So it's always 80% of your diet and 20% of your exercise routine. So exercise is just a small part.
Yeah.
लोगों को लगता है यार मैंने आज ना पिज्जा खा लिया, it's around 1000 calories. Tomorrow I need to burn those 1000 calories with exercise. So what they do 2 hours of cardio straight. That's not right. आपकी बॉडी एक्सरसाइज से सिर्फ 5% कैलोरीज बर्न करती है. सबसे पहले तो आपकी बॉडी का खाना जो खुद आपके स्टमक में है वो एनर्जी के लिए बर्न होता है. देन योर नीट नॉन एनर्जी एक्टिविटी थर्मोजेनेसिस, जो हम चल रहे हैं, सो रहे हैं, सांस ले रहे हैं, सब कर रहे हैं, उससे आपकी कैलोरीज बर्न हो रही है. सो यू शुड नॉट बी सो वरिड कि मैंने आज ये चीज खा ली, अब मेरे को कैसे भी करके उसको बर्न करना है, फिर मैं 2 घंटे ट्रेडमिल पे भागता ही रहूंगा. दैट्स नॉट द राइट.
नहीं पता है रिचा, लेकिन क्या होता है जैसे फीमेल, आई मीन आई एम श्योर मेल्स के साथ भी होता होगा, वाटर रिटेंशन इज अ काइंड ऑफ इशू. लाइक विथ मी, इफ आई अगर मैं खुद की बात करूँ, द नाइट आई विल ईट एट डिनर चाइनीज मैंने खा लिया, व्हिच इज अ हाई सोडियम, राइट? और इफ आई ईट एनीथिंग any chatpata spicy thing, which of course has a lot of spices and eventually high sodium, the next day I have water retention. Like instantly my cheeks are swelled and everything. Like right now, if you guys are feeling I'm swelled, so I had a Chinese dinner last night. So so at this situation, even though सारे मेजर्स लोग करते हैं कि वाटर रिटेंशन आपका ठीक है, किडनी डिटॉक्स करो, लिवर डिटॉक्स करो, विच इज अ रेगुलर प्रोसेस कि आप सुबह उठ के ईट एंड ड्रिंक थिंग्स विच विल डिटॉक्सिफाई योर बॉडी अदर देन द नेचुरल मेजर्स. बट स्टिल a lot of people crave, like including me, कि वो water retention ना रहे if I have had dinner like that. So what can a person, let's say Chinese खाया पर next day मुझे कैमरा के लिए और मैरिज में जाना है और कुछ भी है where I don't want water retention. So what can a person like in this situation do?
So firstly, water retention can be avoided in many ways. बहुत सारी चीज़ होती हैं. You start drinking few teas that are very helpful in reducing the water retention.
Okay.
Number one is हमारे घर पे दादी नानी भी बोलती थी, bloating हो रही है, पेट फूल रहा है, जब बोलते थे सौंफ का पानी. That's an amazing remedy to start if you are feeling bloating. आपको लग रहा है कि मेरा face swollen है, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा नमक खा लिया है. Drink a lot of water, so it will flush out from your body. जितना हो सके उतना fluids लो ताकि next day आपको water retention इतना नहीं दिखे. And morning में do some yoga. थोड़ा सा आप अपना morning routine थोड़ा सा change कर लो. Start having
Movement.
the eyes water ice bath. That's amazing for your skin.
That is a very good.
It will instantly de-bloat your face. So these kind of measures can definitely help you a lot.
Yeah, I mean those are some great tips. I'm gonna follow some. But as also I've seen that as we age or we get mature, because of the hormonal imbalance and a lot of other things, the bloating sometimes becomes consistent. Like, and a lot of weight is because of the bloating thing.
Definitely.
So I think ये जो हमारी wrestler है विनेश फोगट, उनके साथ भी यही हुआ. I think जो मुझे information मिली है that first day she was, जिस match में वो जीती, I think she was having water and eventually that water remained in her body because instantly you have some water retention and things like that, and because of that she went through extreme process
of reducing the weight.
Which of course showed the results. Sara 2 kg chala gaya, it was just 100 grams. That's commendable what she did overnight.
Definitely.
I think that's hats off to that woman.
Definitely.
But such challenging situation, agar wo weight reh jaye, water retention, then what can one do?
See,
and what are the reasons of that?
Water retention can happen because of many reasons. Maybe you have an underlying condition. first get your test done कि अगर आपको continuously bloating रह ही रही है, maybe you have a stomach infection or something like that, maybe you have thyroid, because bloating is one of like a symptom of thyroid. So
Yeah.
get your thyroid checked because it's very common.
Hmm.
ठीक है, आपका लिवर अच्छे से काम कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, गेट इट चेक. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट योर टेस्ट डन बिफोर यू कम ऑन एनी जजमेंट कि मेरे को ये है, मैं ये दवाई खा लेता हूँ या मैं ये घर का नुस्खा आजमा लेता हूँ. सो बिफोर गेट योर टेस्ट डन, एंड वंस एवरीथिंग इज ओके, स्टार्ट ईटिंग मोर ऑफ प्रोबायोटिक फूड्स इन योर डाइट. कंबूचा है आपका, योगर्ट है, दही बेसिकली हमें
Yeah.
अपने खाने में जरूर इंक्लूड करनी चाहिए, जो आपके गट के लिए बहुत अच्छी रहती है. फर्मेंटेड फूड्स, चावल को आप दही में मिला के उसमें थोड़ा सा घी का छौंका लगा के आप सुबह अपने ब्रेकफास्ट में खाओ एंड सी द चेंज इन योर गट हेल्थ.
Tell us again, चावल में दही मिला के ब्रेकफास्ट में.
रात को थोड़ा सा चावल, प्लेन बॉइल्ड राइस, व्हाइट
अच्छा.
राइस, उसमें आपको दही डालना है. जस्ट ऐड अ तड़का ऑफ घी, राई, जीरा का सुबह में.
अच्छा, रात को दही में भिगो लो and
उसको रख
then
दो.
add the तड़का in the morning.
In the morning and eat it for your breakfast.
Yeah.
You
And
will
put
see-
it in the fridge or outside.
Put it in the fridge
अच्छा.
and eat it for your breakfast. It is rich in probiotics, which
Yeah.
is very good for your gut health. It is rich in vitamin B12, जो
Mhm.
most of Indians में कम होता है. हम
Hmm.
almost Indians में कम ही मिलेगा,
Hmm.
क्योंकि mostly Indians are vegetarians.
Hmm.
So these kind of things help you a lot in overcoming the bloating issue and avoiding the bloating in future.
Hmm. Yeah, that's a great tip, dahi ko, because I've also heard that चावल को पानी में भी overnight भिगो
Yes.
के. So
Not pani,
Yeah.
it's matha. Matha basically is buttermilk.
अच्छा.
So either you can soak it in buttermilk or you can soak it in curd. Basically curd rice are more delicious to eat, तो हमें
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा
हाँ.
taste भी चाहिए, and they are amazing source of probiotics and vitamin B12.
Hmm. Okay. So, I just want to add a little bit here, Richa, that sometimes लोग क्या करते हैं कि जब water retention होता है, they stop drinking water. कि मेरा water retention है, let me not have fluids or let me not have. So, उनके लिए मैं ये समझाना चाहती हूँ, जो water retention होता है वो क्यों होता है? Because जब आपके body को लगता है ना कि body का fight or flight stage होता है. So, जब आपके body को लगता है that you're not getting water, that's the time वो body hold back.
Hold करती है water.
Yeah. So it's a complete different thing, when आपको उसके लिए और पानी पीना चाहिए, so that your body knows कि okay, now the danger is gone and the kidney starts working and releases the water. I think this also happens with a lot of my patients where they feel कि नहीं ma'am मुझे तो water retention है, I should not be having water, right? And also same goes with I think आजकल जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है that सुबह लोग जिम जाने से पहले a little bit salt पानी में डाल के लेते हैं to keep their electrolytes in balance.
On point.
Yeah. So so I want you to explain our audience कि वो salt लेने से क्या होता है, and also what kind of salt. That is important, I think. What kind of salt one needs to put in water before you're going to work out, in case if you're doing any such practice.
So whenever you are doing the gym, आपको इतनी sweating होती है, obviously आपका water loss हो रहा है. So आपकी energies बनी रहे, आपको एकदम से चक्कर जैसा, या बहुत बारी हर इंसान में होता है कि एकदम से उठते हैं तो blackout हो जाता है. तो वो ना हो, इसलिए it is always advisable to have a glass of water with a pinch of pink Himalayan salt only, not the table salt. क्योंकि उसका iodine बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So only pink Himalayan salt, you have to add just a pinch in it water, और वो आपको पी के अपना workout you can start doing it.
And also because pink Himalayan salt has all the other minerals also. It has got potassium, it has got magnesium and all. Not only just like जो हमारे white salts में है, which is high on sodium, which we don't want. So it's better to use such practices rather than having. And I think gym, again, gym के कुछ videos circulate होते हैं जहाँ पे आप देखते हो कि sudden workout करते करते people गिर गए, or some किसी को injury हो गई. In fact, extreme cases where also heart attacks and things like which a lot of people are blaming COVID vaccines and things. So heart attack, of course, is a separate issue together. We're not discussing here. But जो लोग गिर जाते suddenly, because of hypoglycemia and low blood pressure and all, does this salt water help them while they are working out? Do you recommend them also to have sip of these?
they can have, but make sure you are not going on a heavy workout empty stomach. Many people do this thing कि हम many people have this myth कि हम खाली पेट workout करेंगे we will burn more fat.
Yeah.
So this is not true. Your body needs some food to burn. आपको energy भी तो चाहिए. आप खाली पेट उठ के चले जाओगे, you will feel lethargic.
Yeah.
So before workout, you should definitely eat something. Just have rice crisps with peanut butter or a banana with peanut butter. Just have a cup of black coffee to give you that kickstart आपके metabolism को भी. So you can perform your workouts well also. This happens because they are doing the workouts like core workouts on an empty stomach.
Yeah.
So this should be avoided.
So have a little bit of
Have anything, little bit of anything, be it your peanut butter with toast, sourdough bread हो गया.
yeah,
Brown bread तो obviously नहीं खानी चाहिए.
exactly.
So you can have it with a sourdough bread toast, or you can have it with a rice crisp. You can have it with a banana या apple या yogurt में कोई भी fruit mix करके quick snacking कर ली.
Okay. So the idea is to get complex carb and protein, basically a complex thing,
Yes.
which धीरे धीरे ताकि slow release of energy होता
Instant
रहे.
आपकी sugar rise ना हो body में.
So रिचा, जब हम खाने की बात करते हैं, diet and calorie counting and weight loss, एक major problem आती है, you know, people count the calorie, they would eat raw, they would do, you know, wild thing, but the oil which they are using or how much oil they are using, that also is adding on to a calorie.
Definitely.
A very simple thing, if your dietitian has suggested you eat carrots for your snack and you deep fry your carrots, assuming that you are controlling your calorie,
Eating healthy.
it's not happening. So one thing is how much oil one should have, you know, while cooking or in a whole day, and what kind of oil they can have, because agar aap market mein ab niklo, there are so many variety of oil in beautiful bottle, and it's very hard to choose.
Definitely.
And Instagram is loaded with so much information that, of course, you know, we need experts to tell us that these are the oils.
So basically, in a day, one should consume between 5 to 10 ml of oil, not
Which
more
is
than
chammach mein kitna hoga?
5 teaspoons.
That's it.
That's it.
इससे ज़्यादा तो हम कहाँ दे?
So we Indians put 5 to 10
बड़ा वाला चम्मच.
बड़ा वाला चम्मच एक मील पे. तो कैलोरीज तो वहीं बढ़ गई, बिकॉज जैसे जैसे आप ऑयल बढ़ा रहे हो वैसे वैसे यू आर एडिंग इन द कैलोरीज. सो हम पूरे दिन की कैलोरी काउंट तो कर लेते हैं कि नहीं आज अच्छा है, आई जस्ट एट 1200 कैलोरीज,
पर वो तेल का नहीं
वो
किया.
तेल का तो आपने गिना ही नहीं.
Exactly.
So that's extra 500
So
calories.
you're saying 5 to
5 teaspoons of oil you should eat in a day.
5 teaspoon. Does that include ghee also? Ghee alag hai.
नहीं, includes everything.
अच्छा, all
Butter,
kind
ghee,
of fat.
oil, any
Okay.
kind of fat.
Yeah,
that
cooking
you want.
fat.
Cooking fat.
Okay.
Whatever you are using to cook your vegetables or curries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So 5 teaspoons of oil should be used. You can use, see, either mustard oil. I use mustard oil in my house. हर सब्जी में, हर चीज में वही जाता है. And ghee. बहुत लोगों को ये misconception होता है that ghee makes you fat. No, ghee is rich in omega-3, omega-6,
Yeah.
which is excellent for your health. Just do not overcook it. वो
Hmm.
पराठों पे अगर आप तल के खाओगे तो obviously it is bad for your health. So olive oil, ghee and mustard oil wins my heart always.
Yeah.
And I always recommend clients कि go for mustard oil, go for your homemade ghee. घर पे घी बनाओ. Olive oil is the best for your salads, dressings and everything.
Yeah. Actually, ghee का concept तो थोड़ा करीना कपूर ने clear कर दिया है, telling that the glow of her skin is because of ghee.
Yes.
So I think ghee को तो लोगों ने accept कर लिया है. Now mustard oil is very good in flavor. It boost up any dish जो आप उसमें बनाते हो. But some people just don't like the smell and maybe the taste of mustard oil. Then comes in the picture olive oil.
Olive oil.
Right, which is like the expensive oil, and it has got huge varieties. You know, olive oil आपको 500 का भी मिलेगा, 5000 का भी मिलेगा, 1 liter.
Definitely.
So then again, you know, the tricky question my patient asks that how do they choose the right olive oil? So I'm asking you this now.
So it completely, I guess, depends from brand to brand also what
Yeah.
kind of pricing they are putting in. But if you are using for the cooking purpose, like sabzi ya saute mein, if you are using it, you can use normal olive oil, not the extra virgin olive oil. But if you are using it for your just for your salads or just top it up on your hummus or on any dips, then you need to use that extra virgin olive oil.
Hmm.
Other than that, अगर आपको budgeted में एक अच्छा healthy oil चाहिए that can improve your health, sesame oil is also very good.
Sesame oil, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I think sesame oil is a great idea because when we talk about olive oil, like I just said, कि range इतनी matter करती है उसकी varied range है. And of course, if you want to put a oil, and since it's an expensive oil, there are a lot of duplicacy and a lot of mixing also
Yes,
happening in
yes.
this oil, which is again, you know, आप सोच रहे हो you're having an expensive good oil, but you might be having mix of other trans fats which you don't want in your body. So either choose a, you know, what I recommend my patients is either choose a bottle which is expensive and use it wisely, you know, because olive oils
And you
anyway-
will use it wisely if it is expensive.
Exactly, you will use it wisely. Don't remove the label, the price tag. Let the price tag be usse samne laga do so that you use it wisely. And other choices, like you said,
Sesame
oil, ghee, that also
Ghee.
doesn't have any
Mustard oil is
Mustard
the
oil,
cheapest oil,
yeah.
but the bestest oil available in the market.
Mhm. And what about other oils? Like there are, you know, I recently I went to my grocery shopping. There were flax seeds oil, there were chia seeds oil, there were what I mean, whatever seed you can imagine,
Avocado
pumpkin
oil.
oil, they're pumpkin oil. So I think whatever sells, जैसे ही सबको पता चलता है ना ये vegan protein है, उसका लोग तेल निकाल के बेचना शुरू करते हैं. So it's a very funny thing without realizing that ये सारे जो oils है, ये जब वो oil बनता है heated condition में, it's already damaged. There's nothing left in that oil which you're eating.
Hence the cold pressed oil का market इतना बढ़ रहा है ना,
Yeah, yeah.
कि people have started using cold pressed oils because it's not that dangerous for your health.
Dangerous, but the sad thing is that what's the proof it is a cold press?
That's correct. We can't
You know,
go into that deep
Exactly.
thing.
So I think, you know, if you want to consume pumpkin or any other kind of fancy oil, it's better to have the seeds.
Olive oil.
Right?
Yeah, have the seeds
Yeah.
and use the olive oil.
Exactly. I mean, use the olive oil.
See, weight loss industry is very confusing and very wide. आप उसमें जितना जाओगे ना, आपको बहुत products मिलेंगे, variety of seeds, variety of oils, variety of millets,
Yeah.
but you have to stick to your simple things. As I said,
Yeah.
जो आप अपने life long चीजों में promise कर सको कि हाँ, I can eat this thing for the rest of my life, I can afford this thing for the rest of my life. Use such things.
And this thing is suiting me for the rest of my life.
Yes,
You know, that's
it is good
also
for my
important.
health. This mustard oil is good for my health.
Yeah.
I'm eating it.
Yeah.
मेरे को कोई आके बोलेगा कि नहीं, mustard oil, who eats mustard oil? You should
Yeah.
eat olive oil. It depends कि
Yeah.
आपकी body के लिए क्या सही है. Do that.
If I have that gut microbiome which can digest mustard oil, what's the harm?
There's no harm.
Yeah.
It's an excellent thing.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Now, you know, आजकल लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, vegan का trend बहुत है, and I mean, vegan बहुतों को सूट भी करता है. There is no harm in doing vegan. A lot of people are not able to. जब cholesterol वगैरह high होता है, definitely you need to check on the animal source of protein. Now, speaking about protein, the vegan replacements are, you know, sattu, pumpkin seed, and various other vegan proteins. Sattu जो हमारा homegrown है, which is an old age recipe. And the other hand, there are isopure, casein protein, whey protein, things like. So if a person who needs to choose, let's say a person starts working out, wants to increase their protein intake, what should they opt for? The whey protein or the homegrown old age sattu? And what are the advantages of both?
See, that completely depends on their gut health. If you talk about me, I am lactose intolerant. I cannot have more lactose. So I would shift to a vegan protein. So vegan protein में हमारे पास घर का सबसे simple option होता है सत्तू लेना, which is
Correct.
very good.
Yeah.
Very good, very cheap, very good for your health. Go for it. Second option, if you want to go higher on it, pea protein. Good. Again, excellent source of vegan protein. But हाँ, अगर आप if you are not a lactose intolerant person, if you can easily digest dairy, you can go for whey protein, whey concentrate, whey isolate, casein protein. So these products available in the market are good. And sattu being homegrown, जो आप घर पे भी बना सकते हो. At in just 5 minutes you can make sattu.
चने को पीस के,
and you can just make it in your chas. You can just make a drink out of it and you can have it. So, but yes, Whey protein will consist 25 grams of protein per
Hmm.
30 gram of scoop,
Hmm.
whereas the sattu will give you roughly around 10 to 15 grams of protein per 30 grams. So the
Hmm.
protein content will be little less,
Hmm.
but again, it's pocket friendly.
Hmm.
It's good for your health, so you can
Yeah.
start with it.
And what other vegan source of protein one can include?
So if we talk about food, then there are there's soya
Hmm.
chunks, which is an excellent source of protein that has equivalent amount of protein that a chicken has.
Mm-hmm.
So हम सोए को अपने डाइट में इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, टोफू को इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, किडनी बीन्स हैं,
Hmm.
chickpeas हैं. Obviously legumes are not the complete source of protein,
Amino acids, yeah.
but they can at least contribute some amount of protein to your daily routine.
Yeah.
पीनट्स को आप ऐड कर सकते हो अपनी डाइट में, again which is not a complete source of protein,
Hmm.
but yes, you can definitely add
Maybe little bit of mix and match of
little bit of
everything.
mixing
Yeah.
and matching, like बहुत सारे लोगों को सोया चंक से प्रॉब्लम होती है, नहीं खा
Yeah,
पाते
exactly.
हैं.
नहीं खा नहीं पाते हैं. And I also, I think soy chunk or soya, it just mimics estrogen. Hence, a lot of people who already have a lot of high estrogen in their body should avoid,
They
you know.
should avoid having it in the raw form. So there's a
Hmm.
myth revolving around that you should not consume tofu, you should not consume soya if you have thyroid. That's not correct.
Hmm.
You can consume it in a mentioned quantity. For
Hmm.
example, for a person like me, can have 20 to 25 grams of soya
Hmm.
daily, but it should be cooked thoroughly.
Yeah.
You should not be eating tofu in your salads in a raw form.
Hmm.
That can obviously create a problem.
नहीं एंड एस्ट्रोजन जो डोमिनेंस होता है द लेडीज हु फेस ये पीसीओएस के
PCOD,
केस में
yes.
एंड पेरीमेनोपॉज एंड थिंग्स लाइक जब
Mm.
एस्ट्रोजन डोमिनेंस के केसेस होते हैं आई थिंक दैट इज द टाइम आल्सो when you need to watch your food which are mimicking estrogen hormone like soy and all उसको थोड़ा watch out करना पड़ता है. I think PCOS में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा estrogen dominance, so that is why we generally recommend ki okay, just avoid these things, and then of course you can find out through your food test and everything
Definitely.
that what is suiting
What's
and
suiting your body and
what is not suiting you. So how do you take care of the PCOS? Because PCOS सबसे ज़्यादा challenging हो जाता है when weight gain is one of the major thing which people face a lot of and I think वो जो age group है PCOS का, I think that's the time where everyone wants to look perfect and good, and that's the time where people are facing these kind of challenges. Although there are a lot of lifestyle things which are involved. So what can one do to reduce the weight during if one is facing PCOS?
So if you roughly ask me, right now every fourth or fifth women is suffering from PCOS. मेरे पास almost clients आते हैं saying that I am suffering from PCOS. I'm not getting periods from last 6 months. I'm not having periods from last month. So ये problem बहुत common हो गई. But there are few dietary changes जिससे आपका PCOD control में आ सकता है. Plus PCOD is one condition that you can reverse it naturally. You जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको मेडिसिन पे ही जाना जरूरी. यू कैन जस्ट डू इट थ्रू राइट डाइट ऑल्सो. देयर आर सम चेंजेस लाइक मेक श्योर कि आप अपनी डाइट में से फुल फैट डेयरी को हटा दो, स्किम मिल्क यूज करो, लो फैट पनीर यूज करो. यू मेक श्योर यू आर ईटिंग हाई प्रोटीन डाइट. हाई प्रोटीन में यू कैन ऐड टोफू इन योर डाइट बट इन लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी. You can add chicken in your diet, eggs in your diet. Then you have to take good amount of magnesium in your diet, which helps in balancing your PCOD. उसके लिए आप you can add good fat things like nuts हो गए, आपके seeds हो गए. Plus seed cycling बहुत help करती है women with PCOD and PCOS, जो कि इतना common नहीं है. I don't know why इतना common नहीं है, but seed cycling is an amazing thing to do for a woman who is suffering from a PCOD. So our cycle is basically divided into two parts, follicular phase and luteal phase. So when you are in your follicular phase, you should consume a combination of two seeds. That is raw flax seeds and raw pumpkin seeds. And when in your luteal phase, you should consume a combination of two seeds, sunflower seeds and sesame seeds. So they will also help you in your balancing your PCOS. There are different kinds of teas that you should include if you are someone suffering from PCOS, like spearmint tea is very good. Aapka chamomile tea is very good to balance your hormones.
So let's jot it down a little bit. So we are talking about that we should be avoiding milk, you said,
Yes,
because
high fat milk.
high fat. So we are talking about avoiding high fat
Yes,
food,
food,
basically.
processed food,
High fat food. We are talking about, we want to include protein in our diet,
protein,
and we want to include good fibers in our
good
diet through
fiber,
seeds,
magnesium rich food like nuts.
magnesium to take care of the nerves and
Yes,
the blood flow as well.
yes,
So all in all, include good
nuts,
protein, avoid
full fat dairy,
trans fat and bad fat.
refined carbs.
Okay, now include good fiber like seeds and nuts,
Yes,
and include good source of protein,
yes.
right? And what are the things which one should avoid completely while if they have any kind of challenge like this?
Sugar is the culprit here, I would say, for a PCOD patient, because there is a lot of insulin sensitivity in their body. So they should cut this sugar off from
Sugar,
with
so
them.
I feel anyways, everyone should try and get rid of sugar. It's not only PCOS, everything is there.
Everyone,
But the thing is that we are so addicted to sugar, na? Like कुछ ना कुछ मीठा चाहिए होता है.
क्योंकि that releases the dopamine in your
Yeah,
body, na? The moment
yeah.
you eat your favorite dessert, that
Yeah.
releases that dopamine, and you feel like, now I'm happy. Whenever you are stressed, you think like, let me order that cheesecake.
Yeah.
So that
And Zomato has made things so easy.
so easy.
हम बटन प्रेस करो आ गया केक.
आ गया केक. So ये चीजें ना लोगों की हेल्थ खराब करने में बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है. And sugar is definitely you should eliminate completely. Trans fat, डब्बे वाला खाना सबसे पहले तो बंद होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Those packaged food items कि पैकेज में फ्राइज आ रही है, हम बनाए जा रहे हैं, हम खाए जा रहे हैं. हमारा
That's true.
दाल चावल भी पैकेट में आया पड़ा है, हमारा राजमा चावल भी पैकेट में आया पड़ा है. So those are loaded with preservatives, trans fat and what not. It should be completely avoided. घर
Yeah.
पे simple food can help you a lot.
Actually, interestingly, now people are getting more aware. अब लोग अपने general lifestyle changes करने लगे. People are aware that ये सब चीजें नहीं करनी चाहिए. But एक ना weak point आता है. Either you are too busy to cook, or maybe too busy to arrange everything, or maybe you are too hungry suddenly. कि आपको जो सामने दिख रहा है. I think generally अब ये होने लगा है कि जानबूझ के intentionally people don't reach for it. या तो situation, या तो emotional eating होती है, or you're too tired, or you are you're very hungry, and then you are reaching out. I think back in our days when I was small and all, things itni easily available nahi thi. So you really had to wait for the food to be prepared rather than button dabao and wo karo. So let's talk about agar kisi ko instantly sudden crash, sudden hunger ho. What can one instantly eat which can calm down the hunger pangs so that they can give more time to cooking later and do mindful cooking?
See, always keep your nuts handy. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios, very good for your health.
Yeah.
Always keep those roasted makhana handy. कि हाँ मेरे पास पता है, मेरे पास डब्बा पड़ा है, मैं थोड़ी सी munching कर लूंगी, I'll be satisfied. Keep your fruits ready with you. A banana or an apple is good enough to at least keep you full for 1 or 2 hours. Snacking के लिए you can offer homemade protein bars जो उसमें चीनी नहीं है, maltodextrin नहीं है, क्योंकि मार्केट में मिलने वाले sugar free protein bars में they add maltodextrin, which is very bad for your health. So घर पे बनी हुई चीजें, seeds, those seeds are very good. Roasted seeds, mix सीड्स का आपने बना के रखा है, उसमें पंपकिन, चिया, आपका फ्लेक्स सीड्स, सेसमे, सब कुछ है. इट कैन आल्सो ग्रीक योगर्ट के डब्बे आप फ्रिज में रख दो कि पता है. जब मैं हमेशा यही करती हूँ, मेरे फ्रिज में ग्रीक योगर्ट भरा रहता है. व्हेनेवर आई एम हंग्री आई जस्ट ग्रैब वन ग्रीक योगर्ट, उसमें अपना सीड्स डाल दिया, नट्स डाल दिया, एंड माय हाई प्रोटीन स्नैक इज रेडी.
Actually, to avoid these kind of situation, one has to be prepared mindfully. Fridge आप shopping वही चीजें करो, घर पे ही वही चीजें लाओ जो healthy है, and बाकी junk को हटा के छुपा के रख दो. जब वो दिखेगा ही नहीं तो आप खाओगे ही नहीं.
It's been 1 year मेरे घर पे नमकीन नहीं आई, बिस्किट्स नहीं आए, चिप्स नहीं आई, शुगर नहीं आई, मैं लाती ही नहीं. Because अगर वो आएगा,
then you would use it.
You will की थिंक कि नहीं वो खाना है, थोड़ा सा ही खा लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. एंड वंस यू स्टार्ट थोड़ा थोड़ा थोड़ा, वो आपको वापस एडिक्टिव लगने लगता है. यू स्टार्ट ईटिंग इट अगेन.
You know, in my previous podcast I've spoken about this book called Atomic Habits. So that book speak about कि आपकी ये छोटी छोटी चीजें जो आप अपनी लाइफ में करते हो चेंजेस, उसी से हैबिट फॉर्मेशन होता है. For
Definitely.
an example, अगर your doctor has told you to eat certain liter of water every day, right? The best idea is to fill the water bottles and place it everywhere where you sit. अगर आप अपने work desk पे बैठे हो, उधर 3 बॉटल लगा दो. अगर आप यू नो यू गोइंग टू एंड योर मेकअप रूम डूइंग योर फेस, उधर बॉटल, तो जब आप देखोगे यू विल ऑटोमेटिकली रीच आउट. सो सच टाइनी प्रैक्टिसेस, दैट्स एन अमेजिंग बुक टू रीड,
I
and
will
it gives a
definitely
lot
read it.
of insight tips that how you can form an habit
Habits.
which is completely automatic. You're not forcing to develop any practice. So yeah, I mean certain things you know one can do.
Definitely.
We should also be doing certain
Definitely.
practices. We are going to start an action round. It's going to be a rapid fire round, and which I want you to be up and above and charged fully.
I'm ready.
So number one is baby food.
No.
Ready to eat food.
No.
Coffee.
Yes.
Frozen meat.
No.
Coke Zero.
Yes.
Alkaline water.
No.
Chamomile tea.
Yes.
Apple cider vinegar.
Yes.
Health supplements.
Yes.
Okay, now my next question would be regarding the kids' food.
Hmm.
Tell us that what food one should include in their diet for the kids and one should avoid. What are the foods which one should quickly avoid? Just give me 5.
Mayonnaise. Tomato ketchup.
Mayonnaise avoid or include?
Avoid.
Okay.
Tomato ketchup.
Okay.
Sauces.
Sauces, like any kind of sauce.
Any kind of sauces.
Okay.
Packaged fries. Biscuits.
Okay, biscuits. I think these are the very snack,
Loved
chalta
by the
firta
kids.
snacks, and yeah, kids love it. Now, market में 600 करोड़ का market खाली mayonnaise का है. Richa, why don't you give us the recipe of a homemade healthy mayonnaise?
So mayonnaise is one of the most unhealthy thing जो market में मिलती है.
Yeah.
But to make it at home, you can simply make it with cashew nuts. उसको soak करके you can just add some salt, black pepper, थोड़ा सा उसमें पनीर डाल के it will give you the exact taste like a market mayonnaise. क्योंकि market mayonnaise is
Yeah.
loaded with oil, egg and milk. That's it. Empty calories.
Yeah.
So you should make it at home.
Cashew nuts,
Salt,
salt and
hot water and little bit of cottage cheese like paneer.
cottage cheese. Acha, so mix karo and then
Yes,
use
you
it
have
like
to
a
blend
mayonnaise.
it and your homemade mayonnaise will be ready.
Acha, now something about the new mothers. Post-pregnancy weight loss and particularly C-section weight loss, the women feel a lot of challenge to lose weight. Give me 2 to 3 tips which they can do and you know which can work on their weight.
See, जब एक नई मदर होती है ना उसको बहुत सारी एडवाइसेस मिलती है, ये भी खा लो बच्चे के लिए, ये भी अच्छा है, इतना घी भर भर के मदर इन लॉ खिलाती हैं, सो दैट लीड्स टू एक्स्ट्रा वेट गेन. बट दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज अ प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन. आप अपनी डाइट में कम घी में बने हुए अच्छी खासी पंजीरी ऐड कीजिए. स्टार्ट हैविंग जीरा वाटर दैट वुड इंक्रीज योर लैक्टेशन. स्टार्ट हैविंग प्रोटीन रिच फूड जो आपका लैक्टेशन बढ़ाएगा, आपको वेट लॉस करने में भी हेल्प करेगा. इंक्लूड मोर प्रोबायोटिक विच इज गुड फॉर योर गट हेल्थ, जो आपकी बेबी के गट हेल्थ के लिए भी अच्छा रहेगा.
What are the supplements that can help during the weight loss process?
So supplements, like, it depends what kind of problem you are facing. So if you are a thyroid patient, you should definitely include selenium and zinc supplement. If you're a PCOD patient, you should include magnesium in your diet. It also helps in your anxiety problem. If you're a person who constant have joint pains, जिसको हमेशा जोड़ों में दर्द रहता है, तो they can include omega-3, omega-6 supplements. So these kinds of, or hair fall है तो biotin you can include. So these supplements play a good role in your overall dietary routine.
So that was today's discussion on weight loss, and we learned so many things about how we gain weight, water retention. We spoke about PCOS. If you want to go back and hear this video, you can listen it on 1x as well. And if you like the content, kindly like, share and subscribe and help the person who is absolutely in need for this. You can always reach us for more questions, and let's see you on another round of Dr. D's show. Bye.